5 bad Python coding habits you shouldn't have. Okay, so number 1 is using the plus operator to add the variable. Instead, use string because it is more convenient and it organizes your code. And in fact, we also have nested string in Python 3.12. Okay, so number 2 is using open to edit a file. It is not recommended at all, and you have to close the file manually, and if an exception is raised, it will not close the file. Instead, use this with open method to open a file. You don't have to close the file manually, and if an exception is raised, it will ensure that the file is closed. Okay, so number 3 is using time.time function as a stopwatch. This is not recommended at all. Instead, use perf counter as it is more accurate and more reliable. Okay, so number 4 is that if you are new to Python and you have learned pseudocode before Python, you may think that this symbol is used for exponentiation in Python. Instead, you have to use this double asterisk for exponentiation. This symbol is used for bitwise XOR. Okay, so number 5 is overriding the built-in names of the functions. For example, you are creating a list by using the list keyword. This will allow the list function to be named as a variable instead of a function, which will lose its ability to do the specified task. Okay, so these were 5 bad coding habits which you should avoid. So that was it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.